What's going on, everyone? Mark here with Nego Prints. Today's video is an extra special one, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around all the way till the end because I'm going to be giving away this 8-in-1 Vevor Heatpress. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. This is a 15 by 15 swing away, and it comes with 8 different attachments. The first attachment that it comes with is the Hatpress. So this is 2 pieces. It's the bottom plate and the top plate. Then the next attachments are kind of the same, but we have a few different variations. So these are for mugs or for tumblers, and they come in a few different sizes. So we have these 2 right here. Then you also have this little cone-shaped one right here. And we have the actual attachment where you attach the attachments to. This is actually the press that you use to be able to press mugs or tumblers. Super simple to use. All you have to do is lift to close it and lower to open it. You can adjust the pressure with this knob right here. Now another thing that we got was this little foam pad. What I think this is for oddly shaped items such as like plates or bowls. And of course, 8. Now obviously we can't forget one of the most important parts, the actual power source. So this is where everything's going to go connected to whenever we want to use it. So if we want to use the tumbler press, we connect it to this. If we want to use a regular heat press, disconnect the tumbler press and then connect it to this. So Vevor sent me this heat press because they wanted me to do an unboxing, and I immediately said yes. Not because I wanted the heat press, but because I knew that I could give this to one of you. Personally, I don't really need this heat press. I already have like 3 other ones, so this is the 4th one. I think it's a really cool press. I absolutely love it so far from the little bit that I've been able to play with it, but I just don't have the space for another press. So because of that, one of you is going to be lucky enough to be able to win this press. All you have to do is stick around all the way to the end of the video so that way you can find out what the official rules are. Now the heat press right here has 2 little slots where this is going to go into. So it's actually going to be held right on the press itself. Just like that. Now whichever attachment you want to use, you're going to have to connect this little dongle right here to the actual box. That's pretty much all you have to do. You just stick it in, screw it in, and that's it. Now let's see how long it's going to take for the heat press to actually heat up. So we have it set to 320 degrees, and we're going to press this DTF print. Now to adjust the pressure, the knob is towards the back, and I'm going to make it a little bit tight just because I like doing it tight. I like heavy pressure all the time. It looks like it went up to temperature. Alright, it looks like it reached the 320 degrees, and it took 7 minutes. Not that bad. It's actually a pretty quick heat up time. So it's already up to temperature. Let's go ahead and do a quick press for a DTF print. Gonna have to be a little bit careful here because I don't have too much space. I have to push a couple things out of the way. Sorry for the mess. Oof. It fit right under my other heat press. It's perfect. So quick note, you have to hit the mode button to be able to start the countdown. It does not start automatically when you close the press. Alright, so that's all there is when it comes to pressing t-shirts. It was super simple, super easy to use, and what I really like is the smoothness. So closing and opening the top platen is super smooth, and it practically takes no effort. It's super easy. Now looking at the print itself, you can't really see it too close, but you can see all of the fibers sticking through the print. And to me, that is a good press. That means the transfer is on there permanently and it's not going to come off. Now, if you want to win this press, one of the first things that you have to do is you have to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. On top of that, leave a like on this video. Another thing that you need to do to enter is go ahead and comment down below what you like about the press. Do you like the attachments? Do you like the size? Do you like the color? Because actually the blue is pretty cool. The winner will be chosen at random. I'm not going to go ahead and choose one. I'm going to put everything on a slot or one of those little wheels, and the winner is going to be automatically chosen. The winner will be chosen 1 month from the release of this video, or if the video hits 200 likes before that, I'll go ahead and choose the winner then. Now let's go ahead and actually try out printing a tumbler. So I went ahead and turned it off. As you can see, the switch is actually on the side. Now adding the attachments are super easy. All you have to do is disconnect this little piece right here from the main board, or the power switch, which is right here. So we're going to switch it out for the one for the tumbler press, and all you have to do is just go ahead and stick it in. That's all there is to it. Then just go ahead and turn it back on. Now we have to set our time. So since it's for sublimation, I'm going to do 400 degrees. So I'm going to hit the setup button right here, and I'm going to change this to 400. Now to lock in the temperature, all I have to do is hit the setup button one more time, and then it changes to the time. The time we're going to do 40 seconds, and set up again to lock in the time. Now that's pretty much all there is to it, because it's just a basic heat press with all of the different attachments, and the other attachments are pretty much the same thing, they just vary in sizes. If you want to check out the Vevor Heatpress, I'm going to have a link to it down in the description below. Quick note, that is an affiliate link, so if you do make the purchase, then I will get a small commission. Aside from that, remember, if you do want to win this particular heat press, the one that's literally right behind me, along with all of the different attachments that it came with, all you have to do is make sure to let me know down in the comments below what you like about the press. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. If this video hits 200 likes, I'm going to go ahead and choose a winner. Otherwise, I'm going to wait about 1 month. Huge thank you to everyone for watching. Huge thank you to Vevor for sending out the heat press, and catch you guys next time. Peace.